September 11th, no, you don't see it. I know you don't see it because it's not even there. See how many people gonna get up and look. That's why I said that. These towers here, what we call them, leaning towers of electricity. Look how they built it to the mountain. Hoover Dam. Right here is a gift shop.
Wow.
Right here is observation deck. Remember, from the top to the bottom is 726 feet. Now, you're going to be seeing 4 towers here. These towers are embedded in the water, equivalent to 36 stories. A 36-story building, that's how deep it is in the ground. Right about right now. Half of y'all in Arizona, the other half of y'all in Nevada.
We have to come back this way?
As long as you're by yourself.
That's right.
The Grand Canyon. Huh?
Oh, Pyramids of Egypt.
Nope. It was a pyramid, but it wasn't in Egypt.
That's Vegas.
It's the Luxor. The light on top of the Luxor. At one time it was some 750 counter light. We'll stay here about 10 minutes. Let you all stop and take some pictures. This ain't part of the tour, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Beach is about 5 miles from here. Look at the mountain range over there. It's pretty exciting. I'll see the next little mountain range. That's the last water that you're going to see between here and the Grand Canyon. There it is right there.